Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, which ended today, September 26th. All right, so let's get started. This is the week started on the 21st September. So this one pound USD from 7-minute chart for 75 pips short. And the short entry is right there. The yellow mark has moved to break even plus here. And this is the place of the entry, and this trade was taken by my CTS 7 robot, right? It says a different name, but I changed it already. So this says 7 minute, right? But it is actually CTS 7. Okay, so this is the first trade. The second one, oops, what the heck happened here? Okay, no problem. So that was just a chart getting bigger. So gold for 225 pip buy order is right there. And this is where the entry was. All the trades are taken by the setup, according to the perfect setup. NASDAQ, beautiful setup taken by the EA again. CDS, same thing. Same. Well, I have different version, but with slight changes, and it's like some new feature and this and that. So basically, the EA and the conditions are in all of those versions are the same. This one is Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart for 75 pip buy orders right there. This was the entry. The little arrow will show you the entry, and that is the sign that the EA opened the trade. After having a 40 minutes signal from the 40-minute chart, I place the EA on the 7-minute for a few hours. If I get the entry within a few hours, then it's fine. If not, then I'll remove the EA because it can wobble, right? So if it is going to go, it will go immediately. So that's how it is. That's why I have a one-on-one, course so that I can explain and teach exactly how to use the system and this robot. The next one is from 500 box size chart and 320 pip. Beautiful, beautiful by the book setup. See that beautiful move? It's a retracement and then boom, going to the upside. This was the entry from the 200 box size chart. Gold going down again from 150. You can see that it started to go down, and then this was the entry, and then entry, 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 entry. All of these were entry, beautiful entries, beautiful system. 440 pip all the way to the downside because I was expecting it. I made the daily chart that is going to drop, and it did. So no hard. Uh, hard work over there. Now here it's the 95 pip USD-CAD going to the upside because USD start to get strong. Buy orders right there. And for this is on the 24th. And this is on the 24th pound USD. I was expecting that it will go up, but what happened? News came out and USD started to get strong. That's why USD-CAD went up and pound USD, Euro USD, the both went down. Right. So this is 60 pip here, and then I have another one later on. You will see. Gold 150 box size after dropping, then again start to go up. Right. Gold moves, by the way, 600. Average is 500. Average daily range of gold is 500 pip every single day from top to bottom. Right. And within 24 hours, gold that much gold moves every single day. So if you know all of that, and you find your entry like bullish entry early into the day, you have a shot at the 200, 300, 400 pip trade. It depends on when gold start to move in the day. You know how many pips are already gone and how much is of the daily ranges is still left. Right, so that's how you have to do the calculation. This one USD yen going to the upside from 7-minute chart 105. USD got strong and everything is upside down, right? Pound USD, like I said, that this was the 60 pip trade. Then from 20-minute chart, and this is from 7-minute chart. Again, I made the entry and all the way down to 120 pip more, right? Because now, okay, I'll tell you later. Now, you see, USD-CAD, again, this was the first one that I showed you. Then the second one from the 7-minute chart, 50 pip more from here, gone. Beautiful entry by the book. Solid by the book entry. This is Parnazi going to the upside. Again, everything went upside down this week, right? This is one of the, bad week to me, basically, because only 10 or 11 trades. Usually I have more than 20. Why? Because things went the other way. right? Because of the fundies. So still, I may manage it. So this one, pound Aussie, I closed this late today. Sorry. I couldn't close it because I came home after 5 o'clock and the market was closed, and that's why you see the SL is not at its place. Usually, I move the SL, right around here somewhere. I move the SLs, but I, been very, very busy doing something else. And when I saw it, it was too late to move the SL. Trade is still open. Let's see what happened on Friday. Right. So Monday, Sunday when the market opens up, basically. So these are the 10 or 11 trades. That's all that I have this week. Like I said, that it was one of the bad week, and bad in a sense that not too much profit, less profit, but less profit. Right. Usually, 20, 25 trades in a week is not a problem. But this week is just very tough. And more SL hit, right? So that you also have that right, accountable. Anyway, so this is what happened this week, and I'm making new charts, all of them, because I wanted to know, what the hell happened this week, right? Why they went the other way, most of them. So I'm gonna reevaluate everything, the weekly charts and the 40-minute charts, and I'm gonna give it to my subscribers. So if you are not my subscriber, then go on my website and subscribe to be able to get these charts ahead of time with the setups and all of that, so you can trade properly, right? And if you want to learn from A to Z, then go on my website, and this is the one, right? And creativetradingsystem.com, and you have video courses over there if you want to learn from them. Or you can sign up for like one-on-one and start learning from there. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.